So if you were looking for that confirmation to see why you should get Firestorm Scalper V5, here it is. Here we are, a year later, another MyFX book for you, because a lot of clients were saying, oh, well, you posted that a year ago when you said you had a $100,000 account that hit 72% profit in 1 month. Well, here we are with another client. This isn't just my account. This is another client we're talking about that took our same exact set file and prop firm ready, $100,000 account, made $32,000 in 2 days with only a 1.7% drawdown. 1.7% risk on the account. And you know prop firms, they usually say 3 to 5% depending on the ones you go with. This is 1.7% in 2 days. It made $32,000. That's absolutely outstanding. We're going to scroll down here and go over it for you. The account was open July 5th, 2024. Day 1 did $20,000 in 1 day. Day 2 brought that $20,000 to $32,000 in 1 day. That's absolutely outstanding. So if you needed more of a confirmation, here it is right here. Proof right there for you. 1.7% drawdown, $32,000 profit using Firestorm Scalper V5, using the set files that we provided inside of our Discord community. The set files I use all the time, the set files our clients use all the time to pass prop firms and to maintain prop firms. And if you're in the United States, don't look down on this video because you can't use MetaTrader 4, because Firestorm Academy is based in the United States. And we use MetaTrader 4 with no problems. And we give our clients all the details and all the trade copier information and exactly how you can still use MetaTrader 4 in 2024 if you're in the United States, running an automated trading bot or manually trading yourself. So I'm so excited to see you on the other side. I was very excited when they sent me this link to be able to show you what Firestorm Scalper V5 did with our set files, and I'm excited to see you on the other side, and hopefully you're able to use Firestorm Scalper V5 to pass your prop firm accounts as well, just like our other clients have.